How to create a WeChat account. So in this video, I'll show you how to create a WeChat account on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the WeChat app. Here on the welcome screen, tap sign up to create a new account. So you can sign up with mobile, sign up with Apple, or sign up with Facebook. So in this tutorial, I'm going to sign up with mobile. So I will enter my full name. Okay, we select the region we're in here and input my phone number. And we set a password. So we have to check the I have read and accept the terms of service. Now you can read this or you can just check it. So now we can read this or we can just check the I have read and acknowledge the privacy policy. So we have a security verification. Now we can select a security verification method. So we can verify via payment card, verify via QR scan, or verify an active Wechat Pay. And once you've done this, that's it. You're all set to start using WeChat.